Hey you guys, so I'm doing my 7-month update with my makeup paint job. Nothing really changed much, but I do have some flaws on it, which is right there. You can see my old paint. And in my last video, I did mention something about this right there and right there. I hope you guys can hear me because I'm at a car wash. But other than that, like, everything looks good. The paint is holding up pretty well and things like that. I do got some little rock chips on the hood of my car. There's one right there. And that one. It's about that big. And some right there. But other than that, it still look decent. Nothing major. I do want to get it painted again. I just not sure when or what color, but I do want to get it painted again. Okay, so like I said before, I got my car painted in November. It is June, so this is gonna be the first time that I washed my car since I had got it back from Maaco in November. And it is pretty dirty. Like right there. It's dirty. It's dirty. Just dirty, dirty, dirty. But like, you can't even tell that I went so long without washing it. But I'm gonna make sure I be extra careful where the little rock chips are, because I don't want it to spread and get bigger. But I'm not sure if I'm going to touch it up or not, but I think it's a free touch up. I'm not sure, but I will call and check and see how much it is just to touch up those spots. All right, let's get started. Okay, so hopefully you guys can hear me while I got this sprayer going, but I'm just going to do it lightly over my hood to avoid the little rock chips. Okay, so I am done with the first wash in 7 months, and so far pretty good, but I can see where I need to go over it again. But this just a quick Maaco paint job update.